Here everyone, how are you? So the last time that I did the unboxing was the series Watch 8, which is this one. And then the last upload was Anmol's one, which is the Galaxy Watch Pro. And then now I am going to unbox my new iPhone. It's the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 256 GB. And I know you're gonna ask why I got gold, because all the iPhones have gold, and then these new iPhone series have different colors that you can determine if what series it is. Like for example, today we have the iPhone 14, which is the purple one, and then the 13 is the light blue, and then 12 Pro Max is the dark blue. So before I changed my phone to 14 Pro Max, I got the 12 Pro Max with the dark blue color. So yeah, come with me and unbox the 14 Pro Max. So as all you know, it's embossed. This part is embossed. So before we open the phone itself, let's see what's inside the box. So it's just the lightning cable here, and then the guide, and then there's some sticker, Apple logo sticker, and that's it. So yeah, I already put my SIM card, that's why it's showing 5G. And then now let's set the language. So let's go English, then New Zealand, and then quick start. Let's just set it up manually, and continue.
Hey guys, so I changed my location and now my phone is already set up. All my files and applications are here, and then I already put my case. So yeah, pretty much it.